Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ashraf Firmansyah from semester 2, Faculty of Law, University of Surakarta. And I'm here because I will repeat the material that has been presented by Mr. Rendi Aridhayandi with regard to criminal liability. Error or responsibility criminal. Definition of error is a subjective element of criminal action, which is not contained in the criminal code, but is contained in an unwritten law. Okay, next, the error is overall condition that provide the basis of personal reproach of the conduct of criminal action preparator. In the judicial sense, divided into the first is deliberation or dolus offset, and the second is en culpa. Okay. In element of mistake, in divided in three. The first is responsible ability. Second, three is an inner relationship between the preparator and his action. Namely, is the form of intent or negligence, and three, absence of forgiving reason. Okay, second is understanding of guilt or dolus or offset. In the criminal code, there is no difference of intention, but in the intention and or activity or memory fatality is defined as wants and no, it's valent and within. So, it's saying deliberation if the preparator wants what he does, and now what he will do. For namely, on the basis of that, this culpa has the will to realize. Is a will's theory. Elements of the formulation of the action. In addition, the actor also wants to consequence that arise, or the actor can also already imagine foretelling theory. Will consequence that arise later. Okay, the difference between these two theories. In the terms of the consequence or circumstance accompanying it, although it's practiced in the use of this theory in the same. Next topic is accidental steps. In accidental step was divided in three. The first is intentional purpose, or offset or mark, or dolus directus. In dolus directus, to reach the goal, namely the simplest from the events where the perpetrator are aimed. Later action that are prohibited, and the perpetrator went to date and their consequence. For example, A. Slide B, with the intention that B feels sick and cannot not to leave again. Second is intentionally aware of certainty, or object head division. For in this case of the X causes two consequence, namely A. As a result of what the actor is aiming for, that can be in the form of his own offense, and can be in from the inclusion. Second consequence is genuine tense consequence, but are a necessity in the setting goals. So this effect must occur. For example, case is A was about to kill B by firing a gun. While B was sitting behind a restaurant glass, the shooting of B would suddenly break the restaurant glass. The threat is pleasures with possibility or required not marked offset. There are certain circumstances that might intentionally occur, then actually happens. For example, is arrest start in the Western city of the Netherlands. Next is what theory will make in cognition theory of the cog theory phenomenon. In this theory, the inner condition of the culpa is his actor is as follows. A. The actual effect unmeant, even the perpetrator had or feared the possibility of this effect. And B. But even so, he wants it. But if the situation or effect, what can make the crime to reside into? This means that the perpetrator dare to take a risk. Properties of job is divided in two. The first is colored pleasure or object both or dolus malus. Deliberately doing an action, dolus malus, means deliberately to be feel but offset. So intentional, there needs to be awareness of the perpetrator or prohibited acts. In other words, intentional means awareness of the perpetrator of action against the law. On the basis, awareness becomes conditional for the perpetrators to be convicted. The teaching is no longer carried out because it places a heavy burden on the public, prosecutor, and optionally the judge. So, in this teaching, the judge must prove that the actor in conviction the criminal act, in addition to wanting his action, also know and is aware that his actions are prohibited and threatened with criminal section by law. Practice of job in point 2 is a coloral pleasures or where loss offset. To be convicted, the actor is suffice just to want his action and is not required to know or realize that his actions are prohibited and the intention with crime. Type of dolus divided into 8 types. The first type is dolus determinatus, namely specific intention aimed at certain object. And second is the dolus indeterminatus, namely intention is not certain. It is not aimed at a particular object but is any object and does not pay attention to which object will victim. 3. Dolus alternativus, namely international aimed at one object or another object, so choose one of the two objects. 4. Dolus generalis, namely intentional aimed at the public. And next is 5 is reverse dolus generalis, namely intentional aimed at the particular object, but to achieve the goals is done more than one action. 6. Dolus indirectus or error having, namely intentional action, which cause the sentence effect that is not actually the will or purpose of the actor. 7 is dolus premeditatus, intentional plan in advance. 8. Dolus repentinus or dolus impetus, also called Hessamut. In German is Hessamut. Okay, then finally we will discuss about error or ignorance. All also called accidentally, and this inner state is called so error. Misleading can be distinguished. First is misguided events or mistake or fake. Second, legal error, red dwelling or mistake of law or juris, or error juris. The three is misleading or mistaken people, or error in person, error in person. Next is object error in objective. 5 is target deviations, is aberration, ictus, or updwelling. And finally, the 6 is the delicт putative. Okay, that's all the matter that I discussed about the 11th meeting of criminal law. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.